Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a cloth, fold it from the between and then put the stitches using the swing machine like this. So draw a shape over it first with the help of a pen or a pencil and then draw the lines with the thread. Now cut out it like this. Now put the cuts little bit with the scissor. Now turn the cloth inside out and you will get a shape like this. Now tie the ribbon and fix it like this. And look, it's done. Now you can just put the stitch from the back like this to make it look more secure. Now fix it like this from the sides and make a shape like this and it's done. Next, you can put the ribbon on the sides and put the cloth inside it and then make a stitch over it. Fold it like this and put the stitches from the top like this. Make the stitches carefully in the same manner as we have put the ribbon like this. Now put it from the top as shown in the video. Now after that, take a cloth and draw the circle over it. Now after that, put a utensil in the between to draw the circle. Now draw the lines like this using the marker. Now cut out the cloth. Now after that, we'll be stitching the cloth with the help of the swing machine. So first turn the cloth inside out like this. You will get a shape like this and then you can put the cotton inside it. So here we are making a headrest for sleeping in the trains or in the flights. You can use it and it's done. Next, take a cloth, put two together and then make these stitches over it. Now after that, put another cloth over it and then again put a stitch like this. Now turn the cloth from the between and make these stitches like this and make it look more secure. Now fold it again and again put these stitches like this. So watch the technique and the way how we are stitching it. So now make a pocket like shape and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.